Yeah, the king.
Oh, Bartender.
Yeah, you know.
That
That is it.
Child.
My
Wait. Ah, bro.
Thing good.
Most things here.
That is it.
So, I guess you know hear the good news.
That is why we are here.
Susan Alexander, aka Masu, brought up on human trafficking charges. But locally and internationally, 23 females recovered, including 2 when this is for the island black.
Huh? Is either that did I go gone, you know? Or she did I go gone?
You know, when I run certain joke already, like,
Well, I guess it's back to business as usual.
With all the necessary precaution. Start already.
okay, right now we govern everything on the ground, isn't it? If it's a bus I get bored, we are the even if it's a bicycle, I'm on the bus, we have to move. Isn't it, my general?
Family, we are dealing with the thing right now on a professional level. Because if from out here, we find out say human trafficking and not just a little money in the family. Some big hotel name I call in this, you know. So right now, when I'm forward in the country, we have a travel agency to check out everything we are going before they even reach.
Yeah, you know. So the exercise thing are going.
You know, they are working with somebody, yeah, and actually, you know, someone come up.
Daddy, faster than Kelly.
Really?
Is that so?
You don't know your next athlete, your next one. Veronica.
Yeah.
Natalie
Shelly and Fraser.
Yeah.
Very good.
Actually, you want to go and play with your friends, huh?
Yes.
Okay, you can go ahead.
So baby, where you exercise for? Yeah? Well, I think you need to be sexier than how you're already sexy.
Suppose I want to be sexier for you. Suppose I want to be sexier for you.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Simple something that man, as long as that's me. Don't
Not for you, man. Always.
like the sound of that.
No, you don't like that. So what am I do here now?
Which is right. Because you know the last thing them I expect is that a youth from the garrison can, you know, perform at such a professional level. But once again, we prove them wrong.
So may I ask you something there? What's the latest on this politician one?
That snake. Would you believe? Since then, him been into 2 other communities where he know I have the ground. But guess what? Him forget one thing. I am a chess player while him a play checkers.